Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanita and I really appreciate you stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for hanging out with me once again. Alright guys, so for today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the triple crochet stitch. And as you can see, this is a really tall stitch, okay? And I did a few rows so that I can show you what that would work up like. And also, just so you can see that this stitch gives your work length. And then if you did it in multiple rows or you did one behind the other, as you can see, it gives a lot of space in between each of the triple crochet stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and get started showing you all how to work this stitch. Alright guys, so to get started making this triple crochet stitch, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to yarn over. Alright, now you have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over again. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to insert your hook into the next, into that next space there. Right up under both of those V's, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and insert my hook. Alright, then I'm going to yarn over again. Alright, so now I'm going to pull through. And so now I have 4 loops on my hook. So next thing you want to do is you're going to yarn over. Alright, and you're going to pull through the first 2 loops that were on your hook. So 1, 2. Alright, so now you only have 3 loops on your hook. So you want to yarn over again. Alright, and now you're going to pull through the next 2 loops. Alright, so now you have 2 loops remaining. So you're just going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's it. That's your triple crochet stitch. Just like that. So I'm going to show you all that once again. You're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, and that gives you 3 loops on your hook. You're going to insert your hook into your work, into that next stitch. All right. Go ahead and insert your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, pull through, and now you have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So next you want to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3 remaining loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. You're going to yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now you have 2 remaining loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. There you go. And that is your triple crochet stitch. All right. So we're going to do that one more final time. So yarning over twice. 1, 2, and that gives you 3 loops, right? All right, so now you're going to insert your hook into that next stitch. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through 2 of those loops. 1, 2. So you're going to pull through those 2. You're going to now have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. All right, now you have 2 loops remaining. You're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And that's it. That is your triple crochet stitch. All right, so that is what that looks like once it's finished. All right, so you all please go in the comments and just let me know what you think of this triple crochet stitch, and do you think you'll ever use it? when I first started doing this stitch, I was so excited when I first learned about it. So I just wanted to do something with this tall stitch. So way back when I first started to crochet, I actually made an infinity scarf with it. And I still wear this to this day. It's so basic, but I do still wear it. I still get compliments off of it. So you know, it was just something I wanted to do because I learned this new stitch, and I really wanted to just do something with it. So just let me know if you'll try this, if you've ever tried it, and you know, what do you think of this really tall stitch? All right, guys, so I really appreciate you all hanging out with me and you know, learning this new stitch. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please click like on this video as well. It really helps me out. Thank you all for joining me for another ABC tutorial. I will see you all next time. Bye.